All right, guys, Vik-Werks checking in another video for the Audi SQ5. So here we have it, ECS, slotted drill, all that good stuff. Rotors, EBC Red Stuff, vented Audi brake shields, and obviously here's the actual ECS shields as well, and the Macan, and my Goodrich, and I forget who, Eurocode I think makes the sway bar, and ECA sway bar link. Anyways, hopefully I got it all in there. Anyways, the reason I'm making this video is to keep you guys informed, empowered. So when you go to next time you go to a shop and they're like, oh yeah, you only have 1 millimeter of bite left in your ordeal, and I'm like, well, I don't hear the squealer. There you have it. They're just trying to upsell you. 8.9 on those bad boys, and they're still good. Rotors were phenomenal, still correct condition. Lesson learned, but you know, sometimes you have to just take the bullet. Here we are, just doing an upgrade. Doing it yourself, not being charged $3,700 later with OEM parts, allegedly. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll talk to you guys then.